Listen. I paid him $10,000 cash in hand. Just like that. He has his own company now. Prosperous little business. Thrills producing $5,000 a week. Stop crying, you sniveling ass. Stop your nonsense. You're just an afterbirth, Eli. Slithered out on your mother's filth. They should have put you in a glass jar on a mantelpiece. Where were you when Paul was suckling on his mother's teat? Where were you? Who's nursing you, poor Eli? One of Bandy sows? That land has been had. There's nothing you can do about it. It's gone. It's had.
If you just take this, please, Daniel.
Drainage, Eli, you boy. Drain dry. I'm so sorry. Hey, if you had a milkshake, and I had a milkshake, and I had a straw, there it is. That's a straw. You see? Watching. Now my straw reaches across the room and starts to drink your milkshake. I drink your milkshake. I drink it up.
Don't bully me, Daniel.
Did you think your song and dance and your superstition would help you, Eli? I am the third revelation. I am who the Lord has chosen. Cause I'm smarter than you. I'm older.
I'm your old friend, Daniel.
I am not a false prophet.
Help me,
you
please.
sniveling boy. I am the third revelation. I am the third revelation. I told you I would eat you.
We're family.
I told you I would eat you up.
We're brothers. Brothers. Daniel, please. Forgive me, I beg you.
That's it.